Thank you very much. I'm so glad that you're so lucky with the Henkel band. We're Henkesh from Islamabad in Pakistan. Islamabad is a nice town, but we can't play rock and roll there. Because if you play rock and roll in Pakistan and Islamabad, yeah, we cut off your head or your head. And anyway, you got here in Europe much nice girlies. Much nicer girlies. And you got cold beer and you can play rock and roll, the devil's music here, without problems. Alright. Yeah! Lonesome train on a lonesome train. I'm gone away, ain't coming back. I'm going somewhere far from my baby. Lonesome train on a lonesome train. Woo! Lonesome train on a lonesome train. I'm gone away, ain't coming back. I'm going somewhere far from my baby. Lonesome train on a lonesome train. Woo! Lonesome train on a lonesome train. I got all my troubles, no one big bag. I made a lemon, she said I'm lonely. Lonesome train on a lonesome train. Woo! Lonesome train on a lonesome train. My baby left me, and that's a fact. No doing living, and no use of dying. Lonesome train on a lonesome train. Woo! Lonesome train on a lonesome train. I want my baby, and I want her back. I don't want to live it forever travel. Lonesome train on a lonesome train. Alright! Dankeschön! Yeah, you wanna have some stuff by the king of rock and roll?